The site is located in proximity to North Head, one of the mountains in Devonport, and there's a certain presence of the mountain that influences the architecture.
That was part of the brief, was to use the local materials as far as we could, and then that fed into the garden because we were taking amazing volcanic rocks out of the garden to build the house, and we wanted them reincorporated into the lawns and to reflect North Head.
With the mountain in the background, we were very keen to make sure that we could capture that view. The window joinery is set up to capture that, as well as capture some of the smaller landscapes, the micro landscapes.
Throughout the landscape we put in a series of volcanic boulders that were dug into the earth as a way of responding directly to the volcanic cone. We wanted to create a journey around the landscape so you can travel from one part to the other without having to go inside.
The house is planned around a courtyard. The master bedroom ensuite and wardrobe sits as one collection. The kitchen, laundry, office sits as another collection. Even if there's two people in the house, you have a sense of living with other people in an open and protected way. The ceiling is totara and the floor is rimu. Both are sourced from the rivers of Northland. We had a diver, Glenn, who was battling the eels in the rivers of Northland, recovering these 800-year-old logs that were felled 100 years ago.
We wouldn't just throw boards up in a random fashion so you get left with a bit of a patchwork quilt. We'd sort of lay all the boards out into colours so we could try and tell a bit of a story.
We're beginning to recognise all the seasons around us now, and we do love Cheltenham Beach, and we've been in this house now for 18 months and it just gets better.
New Zealand architecture wants this sensuality. It wants to kind of move from what was called a modern period into a kind of regional period where we're using local materials, we're using local processes, and we're supporting local economies.